How to get full screen option on TikTok. So if you want to get full screen option on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus option. Once you tap on the plus, you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go and take video. After that, go with the edit option, which is on the top right. Once you tap on edit, now you need to select the video, and here on the bottom you will have an option to rotate the video. So swipe and then tap on rotate. Once you tap on rotate, then you will have 270 degrees, right? So you just need to simply make sure that you've selected 270 degrees and then go with next, which is on the top right. And now you can go and post it. Once you've posted, then after posting, you'll have full screen on the bottom right side of your screen. So the other person will be able to get the full screen option on TikTok after posting. So that's how you can get full screen option on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.